Welcome. In this video, I'll walk through the AI feature in the Agile business flow of the DevOps Plan application. In a world where efficiency drives innovation, your teams deserve tools that think ahead. Introducing AI-powered enhancements in DevOps Plan designed to simplify your process, save time, and spark productivity. To use the AI feature, users must have access to AI integration and agree to terms and conditions of the feature. To check this, click on your profile and go to Member Access. You can view your list of integration accesses here. Select the AI integration you would like to use. In case you do not have any AI integration listed here, contact your administrator for access. If you are an admin user, you can add an AI integration. The tutorial link for this is provided in the video description. AI can be accessed at two levels. At the record level, click on Project Boards and then click on any record and edit the record. You can use AI in single line and rich text fields. You can enhance, create records, create children, translate, spell check and grammar, elaborate, shorten, simplify, generate meeting notes, and generate documentation for a selected piece of text. Now, to enhance the text, click on Enhance button and provide more input like the context, select technique, and tone of the text and click Generate. This is the response generated by AI. You can click on Accept this text to accept the response. Likewise, you can apply other prompts on this response by providing more context. Same can be done with Rich Text Field AI. Elaborating the text by providing more input. This is the response from AI. Click on Accept this text to apply this response on the description field. Now click on More Info tab to summarize and generate report for the record. Click on Summarize and then click on Generate Summary. This is the record summary generated by the AI which can be further downloaded. Similarly, click on Report and then Generate Report to view the detailed report. This can then be downloaded. This is how AI can be used at the record level. Save the record to apply the changes. Now, click on the AI button on the navigation bar. This navigates you to the AI page where you can provide input by entering text or by uploading files, including PDFs, Microsoft Word or Excel, RTF or plain text documents. Let me upload an example file which is a Word document. The contents of the file are processed and displayed in the text field. You can review and edit the content if needed. Click on Next button to apply prompts. You can see a list of prompts along with the description. Click on the prompt titles to understand its definition and use. Let us look at an example by generating action items. Click on Apply button. The AI response appears on the right side of the screen. The action items are generated for the document uploaded. Like this, you can turn discussions into deliverables, whether it's a meeting summary, a new feature idea, or any document. Our AI converts them into actionable items. If you are satisfied with the response, click on Breakdown into Titles or Create Record. If you are not satisfied with the response, provide more context here and then click on Send, which will generate another response. Click on Regenerate to regenerate the response. Let me break down into titles. Now, select the title which you wish to convert into records. You can also enter your custom title and click on plus to add, which gets added to the list of titles. Select the titles. Now select the record type. Then select the project and type. Click on Create Records. You will get a response from the assistants regarding the record creation. In this case, both the records are successfully created. You can see the record ID along with the title. Clicking on the link will open this record in a new tab. If the record is not successfully created, it will be listed here along with the error message. Likewise, you can upload files, enter text, meeting notes, etc. and apply different prompts as per your requirement. This completes our tutorial on the AI feature in DevOps Plan. Thank you for watching.